Rolling into the future of city travel, the Quadvelo introduces a bold new way to commute. At first glance, it looks like a compact futuristic car, but it's actually a four-wheeled electric-assisted bicycle designed for efficiency and comfort. With pedal assist up to 25 kilometers per hour and a range of around 75 kilometers, it's perfectly suited for daily urban travel. Its fully enclosed body protects riders from rain, wind, and harsh weather, while the aluminum frame and lightweight fiberglass shell provide durability without sacrificing performance. Inside, practical features like lighting, mirrors, indicators, and cargo space make it a smart and eco-friendly alternative for modern city life. Breaking away from traditional commuting, the VX2 offers a futuristic blend of efficiency and smart design. This bicycle car combines pedal power with electric assist, delivering a smooth and energy-efficient ride through busy streets. Its aerodynamic enclosed body not only looks striking but also shields riders from changing weather. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame and durable composite shell, it ensures strength and performance. Equipped with a 250 to 500 W motor, LED lighting, suspension, USB charging, and cargo storage, the VX2 represents a clean and practical step towards smarter transportation. Pushing the boundaries of urban mobility, Hopper Mobility introduces a unique three-wheeled bicycle car built for everyday convenience. Its semi-enclosed design offers protection while staying lightweight and agile. One standout feature is its integrated solar roof, helping extend range using renewable energy. Powered by a 250 W motor with pedal assist, it reaches speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour. The rear-wheel steering system allows tight turns, making it perfect for crowded city streets. With features like reverse gear, digital display, and cargo storage, Hopper is a forward-thinking transport solution. Reimagining urban travel, the ZETmobil Pitch delivers a flexible and highly practical approach to commuting. This four-wheeled bicycle car combines pedal power with electric assist for a smooth, zero-emission ride. Its elevated seating position improves visibility and safety, while the canopy and windshield provide weather protection. The adaptable rear section can be configured for cargo or passengers, making it ideal for deliveries, commuting, or even family trips. It's a perfect example of versatility in modern mobility. Blending futuristic design with advanced tech, the Dicari Bike Mark I takes innovation to another level. Its fully enclosed body protects against all weather, while the missing A-pillar provides a wide, unobstructed field of vision. What truly sets it apart is its integrated AI system for smarter control and interaction. Flexible solar panels help generate power, reducing the need for frequent charging. Built on a stable four-wheel platform with airless tires, it offers a smooth, low-maintenance ride, making it a bold glimpse into the future. Designed for performance enthusiasts, the Velomobile Bulk Race is built to push the limits of human-powered speed. Its ultra-aerodynamic shape minimizes drag, allowing riders to achieve impressive velocities with pedal power. Constructed from advanced carbon composites, it is incredibly lightweight yet strong. With a cockpit designed for efficiency and customization, this machine prioritizes speed over comfort, making it ideal for competitive riders and racing scenarios. The Yenvio Vimo brings a balanced mix of practicality and innovation to daily commuting. This three-wheeled bicycle car features a semi-enclosed canopy that protects against weather while maintaining a lightweight feel. With a comfortable recumbent seat and generous cargo space, it's perfect for errands and commuting. It reaches speeds up to 32 kilometers per hour and includes suspension, hydraulic brakes, and lighting, making it a reliable and efficient urban transport solution. Taking things further, the Northern Light e-bike car redefines what a bicycle car can achieve. Its aerodynamic body and enclosed cockpit ensure comfort and efficiency in all weather conditions. With powerful motors reaching up to 1.5 kilowatts, it can achieve speeds of up to 45 miles per hour and ranges up to 160 kilometers. Advanced features like a rear-view camera, touchscreen, and roll protection system make it both futuristic and practical. The Acticycle is a revolutionary concept from France designed to replace short car trips with a cleaner alternative. Its fully enclosed four-wheel design protects riders while maintaining the feel of cycling. Capable of carrying 2 adults and cargo, it offers electric assist up to 45 kilometers per hour and a range of up to 100 kilometers. With regenerative braking and optional solar charging, it delivers efficiency, comfort, and sustainability in one package. Blurring the line between car and e-bike, the Twike 5 is one of the most advanced bicycle cars ever created. Developed in Germany, it combines high-speed electric performance with pedal-assisted input. With speeds up to 190 kilometers per hour and ranges exceeding 600 kilometers, it's built for both city and highway travel. Its side-stick steering and aerodynamic design give it a truly futuristic feel, making it a standout in hybrid mobility. Pushing the limits further, the VIGOZ introduces a chainless pedal electric system that enhances efficiency and interaction. Capable of reaching speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour with a range of around 160 kilometers, it combines performance with practicality. Features like climate control, modular cargo space, and an active tilt system make it suitable for real-world driving. The Biohybrid Duo merges the agility of a bicycle with the comfort of a car. Its two-seat layout sits under a protective canopy, offering weather protection while staying compact. Powered by dual motors, it delivers up to 100 kilometers of range. With suspension, hydraulic brakes, and smart connectivity, it's designed for everyday city use. The Podbike FRIKAR was a bold attempt to redefine urban mobility with a fully enclosed, pedal-assisted design. It offered protection, comfort, and practicality while remaining classified as a bicycle. Although the company closed in 2025, the concept remains a powerful example of how bicycle cars can reshape transportation for the future. The CityQ Car-eBike combines the practicality of a small car with the efficiency of a bicycle. Its fully enclosed cabin with doors, windows, and wipers makes it suitable for all weather conditions. With modular cargo options and up to 100 kilometers range, it's perfect for families or deliveries, offering a smart, sustainable alternative to urban cars. Blending solar energy with pedal and electric power, the Solar Yellf is one of the most eco-friendly bicycle cars available. With a 750W motor and a roof-mounted solar panel, it can recharge while riding or parked. Its enclosed body, cargo space, and practical features make it ideal for daily commuting with zero emissions.